in the Aintree community and ministers at a number of churches throughout Portmore. She is a member of the advisory board of the Jamaica National Building Society. Bishop Kagan has been an inspiration to many, and in 2008, she was featured on Ian Boyne's profile because of her life story and was subsequently dubbed by the Jamaica Observer as the most inspiring woman in Jamaica in 2008. She believes in empowering others to live their dreams and succeed, and this is evidenced through her messages as a motivational speaker for Sagicor, Chancellor Insurance Company, and a number of schools throughout Jamaica. Bishop Dr. Juliet Kagan is a woman of many hats. She is an ex-policewoman, wife and mother, nurse, bishop, notary public, counselor, marriage officer, entrepreneur, and motivational speaker. We commend you. The award is being presented by PCAC Chairman, Mr. Merrick Scarlett.